Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're going to create your own self-care box and put all your beautiful goodies in there. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. So the first thing into this, you're going to take a piece of construction paper. It can be any color you choose. It does not matter. You want to make it fun, guys. So I'm going to outline the top of the box so that way we will begin to reconstruct this ugly looking box and make it beautiful. So now that you have it outlined, you're going to go ahead and get your scissors and cut that piece out, because this will be very important because you're going to use it to go on top of the box to create such a beautiful masterpiece. So now that you have that cut out, now you want to make sure it actually fits on top of the front of the box, and then you're going to take your tape just to make sure you lay it down properly so that way the paper does not go anywhere. So now that that's on there, I want to go ahead and make sure I name my box. You can name it whatever you like. I'm just going to be short and simple and name it self-care. Now it's time to focus on the bottom of the box, and I'm taking a few colors because I want to make my box bright. I honestly don't care how it looks. I just want it to be bright. I want to be able to look at it when I'm in a funky mood and see, oh wow, this is my self-care box, and these beautiful colors can put me in a great mood. That's why I chose the yellow and the pink. So now that I have those colors on there, I'm going to go ahead and take some ribbon that I had sitting around and put it on the side so it can kind of cover up the tape, just to try to make it look a little pretty, you know, but you can do whatever you want. Like I have said before, you know, this is your self-care box. You want this box to be a representation of happiness, joy, you know, putting you into a great mood, and that's why I'm just going to go ahead and put this gold ribbon around it just to bring all the colors together, because I have a lot going on, as you can see. So now we're going to get into the fun part, putting all the goodies inside. So the first thing I'm going to put into my box is my aches, pains, muscle relief that you can put in the bathtub to make your muscles feel so much better. And then I'm going to put my Burt's Bees lotion in there. We all need some lotion. Then I'm going to put my lavender oil. Put you in a great mood. Then my detox tea. And of course a mirror with some blush. You know that is always a girl's best friend. And then why not some lippy to add into your great mood. And then we're going to add some eyelashes. And then I decided at the last minute, I want to add a little message inside my box. So often we're so busy taking care of children, work, everything else that we sometimes don't take care of ourselves. That's why I wanted to create my own self-care box. So whenever I'm being in a downer mood, this will uplift me and make me feel like the woman that I am. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you create your own box.